Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, February 2. The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO is close to introducing blood testing as part of its interventions to ensure the integrity of Jamaican sport. Currently, JADCO only uses urine samples to test athletes for banned substances. But Executive Director Carey Brown told a recent JIS think tank that the Commission expects to begin blood testing by March 31. In anticipation of that, blood collection officers were among several sample collection officers trained in November last year, with funding from the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO.
We are in the process of tying up contracting of the blood collection, contracts with the blood collection officers, because we're using phlebotomy companies so that we will be able to start blood collection as part of our program.
He says once the field work is done, JADCO expects to have 17 doping control officers and 50 chaperones certified. In the meantime, the minister responsible for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, is asserting that collective responsibility is necessary for Jamaica to maintain a dope-free sporting environment. The minister was addressing a symposium put on by JADCO last Thursday. She said athletes, their parents, friends and support staff all needed to be educated to ensure that the island complies with the revised World Anti-Doping Code, which came into effect on January 1, 2015.
If you don't know, you will claim that you're ignorant about it. And ignorance does not prevent you from being sanctioned. So you must know.
In the next 4 to 5 months, a new running track will be ready for use at the G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sport. The Sports Development Foundation recently signed a $170 million contract with the German firm BSW Regipol to build an 8-lane IAAF Level 2 surface.
This new running track here at G.C. Foster College represents the government's ongoing commitment to sports development in our country and the improvement of Jamaica's sporting infrastructure, one at a time.
The previous running track, laid in 1998, was declared unfit by the J3As in 2013. In other news, government is tackling the challenges of rural-urban migration with the help of the United Nations. Phase 2 of the UN Habitat's Participatory Slum Upgrading Program, PSUP2, is now underway. Chief Technical Director responsible for housing, Doreen Prendergast, says the program has 3 phases, and this one is focused on getting community members involved in the upgrading of their communities.
Essential to the sustainability is ensuring that the persons on the ground are involved in every aspect of the program. So the community persons, they are the ones who identify the challenges that they face. They are the ones who determine what action they want to take, and they are the ones who help to design and shape the projects that will emanate from the whole process.
Ms. Prendergast was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. The second leg of the project is being implemented in 3 towns, Old Harbour Bay, Montego Bay and Maypen, which have seen increases in squatter settlements due to a rise in population size. The program will run until September. And finally, the Ministry of Health will be embarking on a series of health campaign events and distributing its food-based dietary guidelines to encourage the population to eat healthy during Heart Month and beyond. February is being observed as Heart Month under the theme, Sugar, Are You Too Sweet? Healthy Eating for a Healthy Heart.
Heart Month is looking at strategies for the reduction in the amount of salt, saturated fat, and sugars in processed food, the elimination of industrially produced trans fats in foods, and the issue of labeling to provide information such as calorific values, portion size, and nutritional values in order to allow consumers to make informed choices.
The Health Minister says the ministry's food-based dietary guidelines is close to completion and a public education campaign will be rolled out to promote portion size. A manual on physical activity will also be launched. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.